Welcome to this video where we will talk about how an AI can help you create a detailed plan to earn $1 million without investing anything. Can you imagine being able to reach that goal without spending a single penny? Well, keep watching this video because we will give you the details. Part 1. Is it possible to earn $1 million without investing anything? Before we delve into how an AI can help you create a plan to make $1 million without investing anything, it is important to mention that this goal is extremely difficult to achieve, but not impossible. Some strategies you might consider are: create a successful business. If you have a unique idea and have the ability to put it into action, you could create a successful business that allows you to earn $1 million. You will have to spend a lot of time, effort, and resources to make it happen, but with perseverance and a good strategy, it is possible to achieve it. Win a contest or competition. Another way to win $1 million without investing anything is by participating in contests or competitions that offer great prizes. For example, some poker or esports competitions may offer cash prizes of that magnitude. Becoming a social media influencer. There are many people these days who have made huge sums of money through their social media channels. If you have a passion and can create engaging and valuable content for followers, you could monetize your social networks and generate significant income. Part 2. How an AI can help you earn $1 million without investing anything. Now, let's talk about how an AI can help you create a detailed plan to earn $1 million without investing anything. Market analysis. An AI can analyze the market and discover opportunities to make money without investing anything. For example, you could identify profitable niches online that don't require a significant upfront investment, such as writing articles, developing mobile apps, or creating video content. Monetization strategies. Once the AI has identified a market opportunity, it can create a monetization strategy to exploit that opportunity. For example, if the AI discovers that there is a high demand for video content in a particular niche, it can create a detailed plan to create and monetize that content. Creating an automation system. An AI can also help you create an automation system to maximize your income without having to work overtime. For example, if you decide to create video content, AI can help you develop a process to automatically record and post video online. Constant analysis and adjustment. Once the plan is implemented, the AI can constantly monitor progress and make adjustments to the strategy if necessary. This will allow you to stay on top of market trends and ensure that you are on the right track to reach your goal of earning $1 million without investing anything. Part 3. Practical example of a detailed plan. Now, let's see a practical example of how an AI can help you create a detailed plan to earn $1 million without investing anything. In this example, we are going to consider that the strategy will be to create online content in a specific niche. Here is the detailed plan. Market analysis. The AI conducted an analysis of the online market and found that there is a high demand for educational content for children in Spanish. In addition, it was identified that there are few competitors in this niche, which means that there is a great opportunity to stand out. Monetization strategies. The AI identified several strategies to monetize educational content for children in Spanish, including advertising. By creating a YouTube channel and posting content regularly, you can generate a significant number of views and subscribers. This would make it possible to monetize the content through advertising on the channel. Sponsorships. You could also seek sponsorships with companies that offer products for children, such as toys or educational books. Digital product sales. A third option would be to create digital products related to educational content, such as ebooks or educational games, and sell them online. Creation of an automation system. AI helped develop an automation system to efficiently create content and publish online. This system includes hiring a production team. A production team will be hired to be in charge of creating the content. This includes writers, animators, and editors. Optimized production process. An optimized production process will be established to ensure the quality of the content and the efficiency in its creation. Automatic posting of content. A post scheduling tool will be used to automatically post content to the YouTube channel and other online platforms. Analysis and constant adjustment. The AI will constantly monitor progress and make adjustments to the strategy if necessary. Key metrics such as the number of views, subscribers, and earnings will be analyzed to ensure that goals are being met. Part 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, an AI can help you create a detailed plan to earn $1 million without investing anything. Through market analysis, identification of monetization strategies, creation of an automation system, and constant monitoring of progress, it is possible to achieve this goal. Remember that this is not easy and will require a lot of effort and dedication, but if you are willing to work hard, you can achieve it. Thanks for watching this video.